Hello and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how Shopware can serve your B2B needs with the B2B Suite. So in general, one can say that the suite offers a lot of out-of-the-box features, but you also have customization options. I think this is important because every B2B project is kind of different. So what the suite offers you is, in short, write and roll management, budgeting and approval processes. You can place orders fast with different tools. And you also have the opportunity to manage offers. So let's see how this actually looks like. Let's assume that we as Shopware registered as a new customer via the storefront. So once this has happened, you can decide which B2B role you want to give this customer. So you go to the Shopware admin, and then you have different B2B role options. In this case, I assigned myself the role as adapter, but you can also decide to give this customer the sales representative role or activate the easy mode. The easy mode is something that you can use if your customer does not really need a complex write and roll management. So let's have a look how this adapter role actually looks like. So adapter is someone who manages all your writes and rolls for your company. And if I'm logging in with my credentials, we can see nothing, but let's try again. So we can see what the suite offers you right away. So you have the company module where you can manage your hierarchies, you have statistic options, an order overview, you can create order lists and also order via fast orders or with order product numbers, and you also have an offer management. So let's have a closer look what this actually is all about. So in my example, I already created different roles for the different Shopware departments. So if we are in the UK department now, we can see that you can create contacts for this department, and you can assign certain billing addresses, which is the headquarter in this case, and you can also assign different shipping addresses, which of course is different for each location. And you can also set certain budgets to it. So in this case, the UK department or employees have a budget of £500 and they already used some of it. In detail, they already used 35%. The UK department also has certain contingents. So first of all, they have an order contingent, which says that you can only order 5 orders each quarter. And the other restriction they have is that you cannot order something from the category wood. Of course, there are a lot of other possibilities as well to set restrictions, so this is just one example. So let's see how the permission management actually works for Justin. So you can see here that I, as adapter, can decide which possibilities Justin has. So in this case, he can use the fast order tool and order lists, and he can also request offers, but he cannot decide to set budgets or change anything with contingents or contacts. The statistic tool you can see here. So here you can filter your order amounts and from which period you want to see them. Within the order overview, you first of all see all the orders that have been placed, and you can also see if there are any orders in clearance. With the order lists, you can use them if you anyways know that you order something on a frequent basis. So in my case, I created a list with spare parts, and if you want to edit them, you can easily just add new products here and define the quantity already. And then you can just put them in the basket right away and also duplicate the list or export it. In terms of quick orders, what you also have is the possibility within the storefront to switch the view. So you can also use this table view option here and just put in the quantity. And this is just a bit more faster to order something. So let's go to my dashboard again. So here, this is another opportunity how you can order faster and differently than just going through the whole customer journey. So you can either just upload a file here, or you can also search for product numbers at the quantity here and just add it to the basket. Here you also have an overview about the offers that somebody wanted to have. And the last option we have here is to use a product number matching, so to speak. So either you can also upload a file here to do that, or you use the options down here. So this is especially useful if you placed an order within your ERP already and you just want to upload it in the shop. So now you saw what you have here in terms of dashboard opportunities and order opportunities, but let's have a look how this would look like if Justin wants to order something. So let's log in and pretend we are Justin for a moment. It seems I have no luck today with logging in. So as you can see right away, Justin just sees certain features of the B2B Suite here. So let's pretend that even if he is not allowed to usually, he still wants to order something from the category wood. Let's put it in the basket. And what we can see now here is that we get certain information messages right away. So on the first part here, it says that I am not allowed to place more than 5 orders each quarter. And I also am not allowed to order anything from the category wood. So the consequence will be that if I still try to place an order, this will be a subject to clearance. So what I can see here also is that my budget is also taken into consideration, and that I would still be allowed to place this order because it's within the budget. So what I also can see here is now that I can either request clearance or request an offer, which in this case is nearly the same. But with the offer management, I could say that I want a certain amount of discount. So in this case, I just want to place an order and request clearance. Perfect. Then let's have a look how this would end up and where I can approve this order or decline it. So I have to again log myself in. Once again, here we go. So now I can see within the tab orders that there is a new offer that I need to decide what to do with. So I can either decline it or accept it. In this case, I will accept it. Okay, perfect. So in general, just to give you also a quick hint about the offer management, within the offer management, this process looks nearly the same. So if I get an offer, I can either decline it or approve it, or I can make another offer and also comment on it. So I hope you saw that you have several opportunities with the B2B Suite, how to handle your business, and also how to project your hierarchies here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.